Check corporate actions details. Go to corporate actions list. Select split entry. Click on add button. Enter your record date. Click on Share Investment, Equity, AC. Click on Share Trading, AC. Click on the broker. Select the broker. Click on Script. Select the script. Click OK. Enter your description. Enter present face value. Enter new face value. Click on Show Stock. Click on Yes. Check your data. Click on Save. Click on Yes. Go to Reports list. Select Equity, Derivatives Gain, Loss. Select STLT Speculation. Click on Select Script. Select the script. Click OK. Select Details Profit, Loss with Rate. Click OK again. After that you will get your result. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.